Hi guys, here's how you can convert Google Map links to a website. Now to do that, open the browser and search for Brilla AI. So this is the one, open it, and you can add the Google Maps link here. It also works for Yelp. So let's search a business. I'm trying for a cafe. Click on directions and click here. And click on this share button. Now copy link and simply paste it here and generate a website. Now the website is being created. To get full access, we need to register. Let's add our email here. Continue. You will get an email from Brilla AI. Click on the link and you will get the verification code. After that, click on enter the verification code. So let me quickly enter the code. So it's done. And the site auto-discovers the content. And this will take some time to build a website. It nearly took about 5 minutes for us. So our website is ready. Here's a sample website which looks pretty interesting. You can edit content as well. You can change text and images here. So the website looks nice with all the auto-generated menu. And you can share this link to your customers too. Copy this link. Let me open in the incognito mode. And so this is how the website looks like. And everything works fine. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.